Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Sending a parcel from Indonesia. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is how to ask questions starting with how.
Berapa lama pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How long will it take by express mail?
Berapa lama pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How long will it take by express mail? We have learned before the interrogative form in asking a direction using how and referring to the method or process that is translated in Indonesian as
bagaimana.
For example,
bagaimana cara ke Ragunan?
How to go to Ragunan.
Bagaimana cara ke Ragunan?
How to go to Ragunan. In this lesson, we will discuss more about modification of the interrogative form using how. The following pattern can be used to ask how. Questions in Indonesian.
Berapa? Subjek. Komplement.
How plus to be plus, subject, plus, complement. Some modification of adjectives and adverbs used in questions using how can be described in the following table.
Berapa lama?
How long?
Berapa banyak?
How many?
Berapa harga?
How much money?
Berapa besar?
How big?
Berapa tinggi?
How tall?
Berapa usia?
How old?
Berapa jarak?
How far?
Berapa sering?
How often? For example,
berapa harga kain ini?
how much money is this cloth?
Berapa harga kain ini?
How much money is this cloth?
Berapa usia kakak Anda?
How old is your sister?
Berapa usia kakak Anda?
How old is your sister? In replying a question using how, you can use a simple answer such as the following pattern. Subject plus direct answer. For example,
kain ini Rp300.000 per meter.
This cloth is 300 rupiahs per meter.
Kain ini Rp300.000 per meter.
This cloth is 300 rupiahs per meter.
Kakak saya 31 tahun.
My sister is 31 years old. From the dialogue above, we can summarize the questions using how in the table below.
Berapa lama pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How long will it take by express mail?
Lamanya 2 hari kerja.
It will take 2 working days.
Berapa biaya pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How much is the cost of sending by express mail?
Biayanya Rp160.000.
The cost is 160,000 Indonesian rupiah. Cultural insight. Imports and exports in Indonesia. With the gross domestic product, GDP, $878 billion and GDP growth rate 6.2% in 2012. Indonesia is the largest economy in Southeast Asia. In spite of the constant economic growth, the economy of Indonesia is prone to high inflation, 5.2% in 2013, fluctuation of the rupiah, and dependency on foreign investment. While Indonesia has oil drilling, the country itself is ironically a net importer of gas and petroleum. The main export products of Indonesia are coal, gas, and palm oil. Indonesia's biggest export counterparts are Japan, China, and Singapore. Meanwhile, the main import commodities are crude petroleum and petroleum products, and capital goods excluding transport equipment and machinery, with the main import partners being China, Singapore, and Japan.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Anda.
You.
Permisi.
Excuse me.
Paket.
Package.
Biasa.
Regular.
Berapa lama?
How long?
Ketahui.
To find out.
Timbang.
To weight.
Lacak.
To track.
Nomor.
Number.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Karena Anda adalah nasabah istimewa, Anda boleh duduk di ruang tunggu eksekutif.
Since you're our premium customer, you may have a seat in our executive lounge.
Karena Anda adalah nasabah istimewa, Anda boleh duduk di ruang tunggu eksekutif.
Since you're our premium customer, you may have a seat in our executive lounge.
Paket biasa memerlukan waktu lebih lama daripada paket kilat.
Regular mail takes a longer time than express mail does.
Paket biasa memerlukan waktu lebih lama daripada paket kilat.
Regular mail takes a longer time than express mail does.
Berapa lama penerbangan dari Jakarta ke Tokyo?
How long does it take to fly from Jakarta to Tokyo?
Berapa lama penerbangan dari Jakarta ke Tokyo?
How long does it take to fly from Jakarta to Tokyo?
Cara termudah mengetahui alamat kantor itu adalah mencari di internet.
The easiest way to find out the office address is by searching the internet.
Cara termudah mengetahui alamat kantor itu adalah mencari di internet.
The easiest way to find out the office address is by searching the internet.
Pedagang itu menimbang beras yang akan dijual.
The merchant weighs the rice he's selling.
Pedagang itu menimbang beras yang akan dijual.
The merchant weighs the rice he's selling.
Serigala dapat melacak mangsanya melalui baunya.
A wolf can track its prey by its smell.
Serigala dapat melacak mangsanya melalui baunya.
A wolf can track its prey by its smell.
Nomor 211 memenangkan lomba itu.
Number 211 wins the race. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Berapa lama? Berapa lama?
Can be translated as how long, to imply the time consumed.
Berapa lama?
Comes from two words,
Berapa
how many or how much,
lama?
time unit. For example,
Berapa lama lagi kita harus menunggu dia?
how long should we wait for him?
Berapa lama lagi kita harus menunggu dia?
How long should we wait for him?
Melacak. Melacak.
Comes from the root word
Lacak.
meaning to trace or to track. It can be modified as a noun if we add the particles pe and as pelakakan, the tracing.
Polisi berhasil melacak pelaku kejahatan dari pakaian korban.
The police could trace the perpetrator from the clothes of the victims.
Polisi berhasil melacak pelaku kejahatan dari pakaian korban.
The police could trace the perpetrator from the clothes of the victims.
Nomor. Nomor.
Can be translated as number,
Nomor urut.
sequence number,
Nomor unik.
unique number,
Nomor siswa.
student number. While in a complete sentence,
Andi menyukai nomor 7.
Andy loves number 7.
Andi menyukai nomor 7.
Andy loves number 7.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Permisi, saya ingin mengirimkan paket ke Singapura.
Excuse me, I would like to post this package to Singapore.
Permisi, saya ingin mengirimkan paket ke Singapura.
Excuse me, I would like to post this package to Singapore.
Baik Pak, dengan paket biasa atau paket kilat?
Yes, sir. Would you like to use the regular mail or express mail?
Baik Pak, dengan paket biasa atau paket kilat?
Yes, sir. Would you like to use the regular mail or express mail?
Berapa lama pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How long will it take by express mail?
Berapa lama pengiriman melalui paket kilat?
How long will it take by express mail?
Ke Singapura kurang lebih 2 hari kerja.
To Singapore, approximately 2 working days.
Ke Singapura kurang lebih 2 hari kerja.
To Singapore, approximately 2 working days.
Berapa biayanya?
How much is the cost?
Berapa biayanya?
How much is the cost?
Coba saya timbang dulu.
Let me weigh this first.
Beratnya 16 kg, biayanya Rp160.000.
For 16 kilograms, the cost is 160,000 rupiahs.
Coba saya timbang dulu.
Let me weigh this first.
Beratnya 16 kg, biayanya Rp160.000.
For 16 kilograms, the cost is 160,000 rupiahs.
Apakah kita bisa mengetahui kapan paket ini akan sampai?
Can we find out whether this package will arrive?
Apakah kita bisa mengetahui kapan paket ini akan sampai?
Can we find out whether this package will arrive?
Anda bisa melacak paket melalui nomor EMS ini.
You can track the package through this EMS number.
Anda bisa melacak paket melalui nomor EMS ini.
You can track the package through this EMS number.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.